responding now. Check the thing, it's responding. I got what I wanted. Alright, so if you sign up, if you say, if this gonna come like at the bottom email. It said who told you about the website? Just email this face. So you get the credit.